Have you ever considered how the world could look if we fully embraced the potential of alternative energy sources? What if we harnessed the power of the sun, the wind, the water, and even the earth itself? Well, let's uncover more as we dive into the fascinating world of alternative energy sources and explore their potential, along with the challenges they face. Picture a world powered by the sun, a clean, renewable, and abundant source of energy. Solar power comes in many forms, from photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight directly into electricity, to solar water heaters, cookers, and dryers that transform sunlight into heat. Solar-powered lights illuminate our streets and homes, while solar air heating systems keep us warm in colder climates. Yet, the efficiency of solar power depends on factors like location, weather, and heat transfer mechanisms. The more sunlight a region receives, the more energy it can generate. Caribbean countries such as Jamaica, Barbados, and Trinidad and Tobago are often cited for their favorable solar condition, owing to their geographical location near the equator, relatively clear skies, and minimal atmospheric interference, making them well suited for solar energy development and utilization. However, it's essential to consider local variations in climate, terrain, and environmental factors when assessing solar potential in specific Caribbean countries. Here's how heat transfer affects solar thermal systems, such as solar water heating systems. Firstly, solar thermal collectors absorb solar radiation, which heats the collector's surface. Secondly, conduction is important for transferring heat from the solar collector to the water circulating through it. Convection occurs within the solar collector and the water storage tank. As water is heated, it becomes less dense and rises, creating a natural circulation loop within the system. This convective flow helps distribute heat throughout the water tank. Now imagine harnessing the power of the wind, another renewable and abundant energy source. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy, which is then transformed into electricity. These turbines can be installed on land or offshore, in wind farms, or as standalone units in homes, farms, or businesses. But like solar power, wind energy faces its own set of challenges. Its efficiency depends on wind speed, consistency, and direction, making certain locations more suitable than others. For the Caribbean region, alternative energy sources hold great promise. However, they face significant hurdles. Energy loss during conversion, availability and affordability of devices, and a heavy dependence on imported fossil fuels are among the key challenges. Despite these obstacles, the region has immense potential to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels, mitigate environmental impacts, and achieve energy independence. In summary, alternative energy sources offer a cleaner, more sustainable path forward. Solar and wind power in particular hold great promise due to their abundance and renewability, but their efficiency depends on various factors, including location, weather patterns, and heat transfer mechanisms. The Caribbean, while facing challenges, has significant potential to leverage these sources. The transition, however, requires concerted efforts from governments, businesses, and communities to overcome barriers and promote sustainable energy development. So, as we continue to explore and innovate, we must remember the power to shape our energy future is, quite literally, in our hands. Whether it's the sun shining down on us, the wind blowing around us, or the earth beneath our feet, alternative energy sources are all around us, waiting to be harnessed. The future is bright, and it's powered by alternative energy.